Know what you're doing. Think through the entire job before starting. Ask shop personnel for help if you have questions. Before starting machine, always check it for correct setup. Use a correctly ground drill bit for the material being drilled. Run the drill at the correct RPM for the diameter of the drill bit and material. Use the proper cutting fluid for the material being drilled. Form a habit of checking to see that the keys and adjusting wrenches are removed from the tool before turning it on. Consult the machine guide or ask shop personnel if you are uncertain. Always hold work in a vise or clamp to the drill table. Otherwise, the cutting may grab and spin the workpiece at a high speed. Serious injuries may occur as a result of kickback. Never do any work freehand, even if it saves time. Don't drill with too much pressure. Never force the tool. Let the equipment do the work. If the bit is dull, sharpen or replace it. The drill press will do the job better and safer at the rate for which it was designed. When drilling a deep hole, withdraw the drill bit frequently to clear the chips and lubricate the bit. Remove chips with a brush. Never by hand. Never clean the machine while it's in motion. Always try to support the workpiece on parallels or a backing board when drilling through the material. Ease up on drilling pressure as the drill starts to break through the bottom of the material. Let the spindle stop of its own accord after turning the power off. Never try to stop the spindle with your hand. Always clean the drill press, table, and work area upon completion of the drilling task. And remember, be aware of complacency. All it takes is a careless second to inflict severe injury.